Hello, my name is Lance and we're back for basically another Carrara gun modeling tutorial. So as we left off, we finished basically modeling these pieces that connect right here, which is this piece and that piece. Now we're going to continue on extruding and making this handle like piece that is sticking out of the back of the gun, like this piece right here. Let me get a better image. This piece right here, we're going to make right here is right there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to my Carrara basically file right here. Gun modeling file right here. And I'm going to click and drag basically to the Carrara file and open that up. I'm going to go into the scene tree editor, and I'm going to go call M1911, click on that, click on the modeling wrench tool right there to open up the modeling room. And now we're going to hide this and that grid. And now we're going to toggle 2-point view right there. We're going to make sure we're at, so like regular selection is good for what we're going to select. So I'm going to show you about regular select. So we're going to select that. We're going to delete these polygons. Just click polygon right there. And now we're going to go select edge right there. So that's not going to do. So we're going to select that. We're going to go into the top view and change that to left-hand camera view. And now we're going to go into extrude, link polygons. And now we're going to extrude that out. We're going to go into click the move tool, or we can right click and click the move tool. We're going to go alt pan.
Are you going to see Castro?
Yes, I am.
Here, there's mail here that they never get, if you can bring it.
So we're going to move that right about there. Now we're going to basically click extrude again, and we're going to
Let me get you the
move that up like that.
folder, right?
Right click, move. And now we're going to move that just around there.
This, right?
Director's camera,
Did you go away somewhere? Where did you go?
left. And now we're going to go to extract along tool, move that right about there. Now we're going to move that just about there. And move this down like that. And keep doing that right there until we make the selection, and we're going to move that just around there.
No DSPs here, man.
Gonna go extrude like that. And now we're gonna straighten these out right here. Like that. Right click, move. Move that like that. And now we're gonna make sure we're on edge selection mode. Loop right here. And now we're gonna hit extrude right there. Extrude again right there, I think. And move that kind of right about there. We're facing that gun piece right about there. We're gonna click move, and we're gonna move this up like that. Where it's going like that, I think. Move that up. And now we're going to make a couple of loop cuts right there. One loop cut right there. We're going to move that up. We're going to go into Polygon select mode. We're going to basically go to the invert button right here. Click on invert. We're going to go view and we're going to go hide selection right there. And now we're going to go into edge select mode. Now I can show you another tool that I can show you to fill in polygon spaces. So if we were to click here and we were to click the Polygon Tool right here, we can kind of add polygons right there to the selection right there. And wherever you see that little like box right there, that means that the polygon is connecting right there. And we would connect that like that, and then we would go to the G key and we would connect these line segments like that.
There's the carbon monoxide behind the shoes. Oh.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into here. We're going to go loop selection. We're going to go CTRF, or you can go into the modeling menu and go fill polygon. But we're just going to click CTRF right there. Now we're going to go G and we're going to link these together like that. G, link these together like that. And now we're going to move that a little bit down right about there, I think. Kind of like that. Go G again and we're going to click on the link tool right there. G. G. We're going to click on G again and we're going to link these together. G again and link these together like that. So we have that now done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to select on this. We're going to hit on free position right here. And now we're going to add segments right about there. And now we're going to hit on constrain position. And we're going to make a middle right there, there, and there. Kind of like that. So we have that now, and now we're going to connect this and connect these two pieces kind of like that.
What are you looking for?
And now we're going to go move right there. Go into the top view right here. Now we're going to click on Polygon select mode and we're going to select this entire thing. Go delete. Go vertex. Click on this vertex right here and we're going to go CTR and we're going to move the grid right in the middle right there. And now when we turn on the grid, let me do that again. So we're going to go into here and CTR and we're going to click right there and click on that vertex. So now we're going to select this entire thing by double clicking on it, and we want this side to be symmetrical on this side. So we're going to make sure that this menu right here is selected where you actually see that light up. We're going to hit duplicate symmetry, or another way to do it is just by hitting Shift CTR duplicate symmetry like that, and that menu comes up and then you just like click yes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the modeling menu, and we're going to go basically reverse polygon normals right there. And it automatically reverses the polygon normals. So that's now done. And now we're going to go CTR click like that. We're going to go CTR click right in the empty space of the menu. And now we just reset the grid. So we're going to just click anywhere in the outside scene to deselect. We're going to go into view menu. We're going to go reveal hidden vertices like that. And that's now revealed. So we have now this piece of the gun now done. So now I'm just going to go into here and I'm just going to go edge extract like that. No, actually I might just select this right here. And I might just end up moving this along like that. Kind of right there. Where that's facing right there. Kind of like that. So we're just gonna connect this right here like that. Hide that, CTR, hide. No, not CTR, hide. We're just gonna go hide selection right there. And we're gonna move that right about there. But we're not worrying about the other side. We're just worrying about this one other piece right here side. That's all what we're worried about. So we're gonna select this vertex. We're going to move this down like that, where it's facing the middle. And now we're going to select this vertex right here and move that kind of like that, where it's facing the middle like that. Where that's kind of like 4 poly right there. So we have that now selected. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into Polygon right here. We're going to go into this section right here. But first what we're going to do is we're going to go into here and we're going to hit Extrude on this thing right here to make an added section. So
I'm gonna send an email to Connie. There's just a cracked vent at the bottom there where the table is.
Well, there's also crackling.
So we have this section that we're going to do right here, and we're going to do this beveled section right here.
Yeah, and even I think if you can trip on it, because it's really shifted.
I don't know.
But all I can do is document it. Whatever happens after, yeah.
And we're going to move that right about there.
Like the mold.
There.
Or like the black stuff.
I have noticed some, like in the back, if you look
Behind the door?
Yeah.
Right about there. So we're going to do this section right about here. So we're going to extrude that out a little bit. Right about there, we're going to click move. We're going to move this down like that. And now we're going to go into the extract along edge tool, and we're going to move that down right about there. And we're going to move this down right about there. So we can make an indent right there.
As long as you do our job.
Exactly. I'll be